Welcome to Cape Cod Plumbing School. 6-hour continuing education courses. The courses consist of 2 sessions, 3 hours plumbing and 3 hours gas. The course is on a PowerPoint presentation. You'll be expected to watch the presentation and fill in a worksheet while you're doing it. When you're finished with the worksheet, we'll have a test, and you'll be required to pass the test before you get a certificate. So we didn't want to make it something that you would just look at and send in a piece of paper and get 6 hours credit. We wanted you to learn something, and that's what we're trying to do. So follow the directions, and good luck on your test.